These are freight elevators 12 and 13. We're gonna start with 13. Awesome motor. Hello? Didn't go anywhere. Which one are you guys going to? The third? Oh, it's going up to 4 first, or whatever. Getting off here? No. Right, that's that one done. And this one might not work. Either that or it was left open also. Okay, you know what? We'll take this down to 1 because I never got a Cavio. I had to go to Macy's anyway, so whatever. Is a cab very, very dirty. It's the cleanest elevator I've ever seen. Peely doors. It's about the loudest I've seen. Yeah, I don't know where 12 is. Oh, okay, I think I figured that out. There we go. Is that a fire panel? Yes, it is. I think I'm going the right way. Yes, I am. There's like 5 people there and they didn't even care. Okay, that's it.